and welcome to Harrods in Dorchester. My name is Tessa and today I'm going to be showing you around this Peugeot 108 2018. It's currently done 91 miles and it was our ex-demo car, so it is really low mileage. It's got a 7-inch multifunction colour touchscreen with a DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. Thank you for watching this short video on the Peugeot 108. If you'd like to come and look at it yourself, we're down in London Road in Dorchester, or give one of our sales team a call to book a test drive or an appointment.